Greetings, library patrons. My name is Jeff. I am with York County Library, your community link here in York County, South Carolina. And in this video, we're going to take a look at Kanopy, one of our newest resources in our virtual library. To get started, open a browser and point it to yclibrary.org. Once on our home page, you'll want to hover over the Browse menu. Go down and click on Virtual Library. Then scroll down on that page, and just after Hoopla, you'll see Kanopy. Click on that link, and it opens the Kanopy home page. In the upper right-hand corner, there is a login link. That is if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, you'll want to log in to the YC Library down at the lower left-hand corner. So click on that. That brings up a form that asks for your library card number. That's a 14-digit number that begins with 2320500. The last 7 digits are unique to your account. You can find that number on the back of your library card under the barcode, or if you're an e-card patron, that number would have been emailed to you in your confirmation email. Now I'm going to pause right now and type in an actual library card account number. I'll be right back. Okay, once we're logged in with a library account number, you may notice in the upper right-hand corner you still have links to sign up and log in. That's because while you can browse the site and look at all the titles and types of material that are available with a library card, you can't actually watch them until you sign up for a free account at Kanopy. So in order to do that, we're going to click on the sign up link. That brings up a form where you can sign up either with Google or Facebook. Or if you don't want to do either of those, you can just type in your first name here, last name, a working email address, make up a password, and then click on sign up. And you will have your free Kanopy account courtesy of York County Library. I already have an account, so I'm going to pause here and log in, and we'll continue from there. Okay, once we are logged in, you'll see up in the upper right-hand corner, my name is displayed there, so I am logged into my account. You may notice the number 4 here. If you hover over that, it says I have 4 play credits left this month. On your computer screen, it will say 5, because you get 5 each month, and I've already watched 1 item. And so I have 4 left for the month of May, and again, that will renew when we change over into June. We'll get 5 again. Now there's a couple of ways to browse material here. Kanopy has movies, documentaries, short films, instructional videos, and some TV series that you can watch. You can either go up here and browse the various categories. You can just scroll the page and see the different categories that are available. Newly added documentaries, newly added movies, popular, world cinema, trending now, all of these different categories. And right here you may want to notice this says credit-free viewing. This category, you can click on that and you can bring up all of the credit-free viewing available. And you can watch any of these totally for free, and it does not count against your limit for the month. So you can see there are 94 videos that you can watch that do not count against your limit. So in effect, you have however many videos they choose each month for this, plus your 5, so we get 99 videos, which isn't bad for a month. The other thing I want to point out, let's go back to the home page. You can just click on Kanopy and go back to the home page. Down near, as we go down further toward the bottom, you can see the great courses, instructional videos are available. That's also available through the library through RB Digital, but you can also watch it here. There's some other instructional videos that you can see, and tons of different categories of videos and instructional material. If you are a parent, you'll want to click on Go to Kanopy Kids. So we're going to click on that, and you may notice that that number disappeared. The reason that's so is because all of these are free to watch. None of these count against your limit of 5. So you can watch any of these, and again, you have two different ways of viewing these. You can browse this menu, or you can just scroll down and take a look here. Myths and Fables is particularly it's particularly interesting because of our summer learning challenge, which is about myths, fables, and fantasies. So you may want to check those out, and you can work in some summer learning challenge activities there of your own through Kanopy. And as I said, all of these, you can watch any of these, and they do not count against your limit of 5. If we want to go back to the adult section, you just click on that exit there, and you get back here. Now, one thing that is not readily apparent is there does not seem to be a help menu at the top. Remember when I did the video for Hoopla, I pointed out the same thing. If it's not at the top, there's a good chance it's at the bottom. So I'm going to take this, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And it takes a while. They have a lot of categories here, but once you get to the bottom, you will notice down here, support. If you click on support, that opens their help page, and all of their help articles are here in 4 different sections: account memberships, using the website, technical help, and mobile and TV apps. And yes, you can watch all of this on your TV. You'll just need to find the article that corresponds to your brand of television and click on that, and there are instructions for you there. If we want to see all 13 articles, you can see all of the different devices that you can watch these on. All right, that's going to do it for Kanopy. It is the latest in addition to our virtual library. We hope you're going to find it useful, helpful, entertaining, and educational, as always. And look out for our next video for another virtual resource that you can use. In the meantime, stay safe, and we will see you next time.